Hey there, curious kids. Welcome back to Curious Kids HQ. Today we're embarking on a magical DIY adventure where you'll create your very own compass. This amazing tool will help you navigate the world, just like the explorers of old. Ready to become an explorer yourself? Let's get started. Once upon a time, in a cozy little workshop filled with the sounds of curious tinkering, there lived a young adventurer named Alex. Alex loved to explore the world, but there was one problem. Alex often got lost in the woods near their home. One day, while reading an old book about famous explorers, Alex stumbled upon the secret to never getting lost again, a magical tool called a compass. Determined to make their own compass, Alex gathered some simple materials: a bowl of water, a small piece of cork, a sewing needle, a magnet, and some paper and markers to decorate. With everything ready, Alex set out to create the magical compass that would guide them on countless adventures. First, Alex took the sewing needle and carefully rubbed it against the magnet. They learned from the book that this would magnetize the needle, turning it into the heart of the compass. As Alex rubbed the needle, they imagined they were a blacksmith, forging a powerful tool that would lead them to hidden treasures and secret places. Next, Alex placed the piece of cork on the table and gently pushed the magnetized needle through the middle, creating a tiny floating raft. With great care, Alex filled the bowl with water and placed the cork and needle raft on its surface. As if by magic, the needle slowly turned and pointed north, just like the compass in the book. Excited by their success, Alex decided to make their compass truly magical by decorating it. They cut a small circle of paper to fit on the cork and drew a colorful star in the center. Around the star, Alex added the letters N, E, S, and W to represent north, east, south, and west. With bright markers, Alex added little drawings of mountains, rivers, and trees to remind them of all the places they would explore. Holding their newly crafted compass, Alex felt like a real explorer. They couldn't wait to test it out, so they grabbed their backpack, packed some snacks and a notebook, and headed to the woods. As Alex walked deeper into the forest, they kept an eye on their compass, making sure to follow the direction it pointed. The forest was full of wonders: tall trees, chirping birds, and the scent of pine in the air. Alex followed the compass, feeling more confident with each step. Soon, they reached a clearing they had never seen before. In the center of the clearing was a large, moss-covered rock that looked like a perfect spot to rest. Sitting on the rock, Alex took out their notebook and started sketching the clearing. They noted the direction they had come from and the position of the sun in the sky. With the compass in hand, Alex felt like a true adventurer, charting new territories and making discoveries. As the sun began to set, Alex knew it was time to head back home. Using their compass, they retraced their steps through the forest, feeling proud of their newfound navigation skills. When Alex finally emerged from the woods, they couldn't wait to share their adventure with friends and family. Back in the cozy workshop, Alex wrote down the steps to make the magical compass, hoping to inspire other young adventurers. Here's how you can make your own compass, just like Alex. Materials needed: a sewing needle, a magnet, a small piece of cork, a bottle cork works well, a bowl of water, paper and markers for decoration. Instructions: magnetize the needle. Rub the sewing needle against the magnet about 30-40 times, always in the same direction. This will magnetize the needle. Prepare the cork. Cut a thin slice of cork and gently push the magnetized needle through the middle. Float the needle. Fill a bowl with water and place the cork and needle raft on its surface. Watch as the needle turns and points north. Decorate. Cut a small circle of paper to fit on the cork and draw a star in the center. Add the letters N, E, S, and W around the star and decorate with drawings of your favorite adventure scenes. Explore. Take your compass outside and use it to explore your surroundings. Note the directions and discover new places. With your magical compass, you'll never be lost on your adventures again. Remember to always follow your curiosity, just like Alex, and who knows what amazing discoveries await you. And that's the story of how to make your very own magical compass, curious kids. Keep exploring, stay curious, and always follow your inner adventurer. Until next time, happy adventuring!